For friends in the textile industry, see how we can solve your problem. The new product Tianmai M6 module has been adopted by many famous Jacquard machine manufacturers at domestic and abroad because of its stable and reliable product quality. The M6 module can pass with the traditional M5 module and has 7 advantages such as durability, energy saving, high efficiency and dust proof. For the electronic Jacquard machine with a speed of 450 RPM, the lifting knife and the upper rope of the module will be reciprocated at high speed. After many years, the surface of the lifting knife will be hit into uneven pit, and the lifting knife needs to be replaced, which is of high cost and complex process. Therefore, the rope hook of Tianmai M6 module is adopted, compared with the improved contact surface. The force surface of the rope hook of the conventional M5 module is larger, and the force per unit area is reduced, which protects the plastic rope hook surface and knife lifting surface. The service life of the knife lifting surface is longer, which also saves the use cost for the textile enterprise. If you want to buy Tianmai M6 modules, please click below to buy National Huaming patented products with guaranteed quality. We support 30-day return service.